another mod, if you want to call it a mod. Shout out to Stan Culture, aka Rodolfo. I'm not gonna show your house because your house number's there. But we got a K&N air filter. It's interchangeable from the previous gen, and we're gonna slap it on this car. We have a little cars and coffee event we're going to. Finally, Rodolfo joins me, and I never go alone. And we're gonna drive up to like San Lisandro, Hayward area. So why not put that? Let's see if it makes a difference. I doubt it, but I remember on the previous box it would say like plus 5 horsepower. Now it doesn't even advertise that anymore. And it's a brand new car. I mean, 2,300 miles, 10 horsepower. So I'm pretty sure the. Can you assist me, Rodolfo? God, I'm injured.
Let's see here.
Okay. Oh yeah, it should be clean. Okay, let's see.
Ginger one, ginger.
Gingerly.
Gingerly, of course.
There we go. Yeah, it's pretty clean. All right, let's put the K&N one. Dude, who knew your index finger was like so useful?
Ooh.
Let's put the old one back on. Should put the stickers.
It's at least 50 horsepower.
I hope so.
Stickers another 40.
I hope I could keep up with all these people. Oh man, this thing's all oily. Of course. It'd be hella funny this thing doesn't fit.
What it though? But it'd be funny. I feel like that's a.
I think I bought it from you, what, like a month ago?
Yeah, I'll be insulted.
It would be. That means the Riley system's all wrong.
When is it not wrong though? Because there's a little clips that it has to go to at the bottom.
Yeah.
Go first, and then you clamp up the top. So it's very simple.
It is.
For you DIYers, is it? DIYers? Do-it-yourselfers?
Right.
Just like that.
Yeah, it's like that. You know what's weird with this one? It's like, never mind. I think I just installed it wrong last time. I was like, oh, it was sticking out.
There you go.
There we go. Simple. I'll do some drive-bys.
Some pulls.
I'll do some pulls. I mean, there's no data behind it. But yeah, I mean, maybe you guys will notice a difference. So here are some pulls. I mean, nothing crazy, because it's really hard to tell if there is a power gain. But personally, I think there is a power gain with the drop-in air filter. Nothing much, maybe like 2 to 5 horsepower, just because it does allow more airflow. And yeah, but I feel like you would need a tune. Okay guys, so finally get to see another one. I mean, I've seen a gray one, but I haven't seen a red one. And this one's PPF with tint on it. But dude, look at this. Sheesh, this thing's super nice. Still like the BRZ better, but on red it looks way nicer. Got some red dice, but dude, this thing actually looks really clean in red. Damn. What do you guys pick? I mean, it's the ultimate, you know, versus, you know, fire versus water. My thing's really dirty, so I forgive it for being dirty, but damn. I honestly like the red one a little bit more.